Sanchez goes down. Temperature heats on the field. And Louis van Gaal obviously irritated there by what he considers to be a dive by Alexis Sanchez. Oh my goodness! What is that? It appears that Louis van Gaal has just shapeshifted into a hen. That is crazy. And now he's on the loose. Oh, now he's disappeared altogether, leaving fans and officials alike in wonder over what just happened to Louis van Gaal. Oh, here he is! Can you believe this man? He certainly has his ways of making a point, and shape-shifting into a cock is no one of them. Incredible.